What if I told you the job you're training for might not even exist 5 years from now? Sounds dramatic, right? But this isn't sci-fi. It's already happening. AI is silently replacing workers, not with a bang, but with a line of code. And the scary part? Most people won't even notice until it's too late. Right now, as you are watching this, companies around the world are replacing human jobs with artificial intelligence. It's happening in customer service, writing, graphic design, even hiring, and HR. Some businesses have already cut costs by up to 70% just by switching to AI tools. This change is fast, quiet, and invisible to most people. A chatbot here, an algorithm there, and suddenly, whole departments disappear. And this isn't some far-off future. This is post-ChatGPT, post-Gemini reality. AI is no longer coming. It's already here. So, what kind of jobs are already being replaced? Let's break down real examples. Some you probably haven't even noticed. Customer support. AI chatbots now handle over 80% of basic queries. Instantly, 24/7, no salary, no sick days. Writers and copywriters. Tools like ChatGPT and Jasper are generating blogs, product descriptions, even entire books. Freelancers are already losing clients to AI. Graphic designers. With tools like Canva, Midjourney, and DALL-E, companies are making social media content and logos without hiring anyone. Translators and caption editors. YouTube, TikTok, and corporate tools auto-generate captions in multiple languages with shocking accuracy. Data entry and admin roles. AI now automates tasks like invoice processing and spreadsheet work. What took hours now takes seconds, and this is just the beginning. So, what industries are next? If AI is already replacing creative, admin, and support roles, here's where it's headed. Education. AI tutors like Conmigo are personalizing learning faster than classrooms ever could. Healthcare. AI is reading X-rays, helping in surgeries, managing patient records. Doctors may stay, but support teams won't. Finance and law. AI now manages investments, scans contracts, and sorts case files faster than paralegals or analysts. Retail and delivery. From self-checkout to warehouse robots, automation is phasing out human workers quietly. The pattern is clear. No job is truly safe unless you evolve. So, what can you do? The good news? You're not helpless. Here's how to stay ahead. Work with AI, not against it. Learn tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Gemini. Use them to boost your skills, not fear them. Double down on human-only skills, emotional intelligence, leadership, strategy, creativity. These are still uniquely human. Upskill, now. Take online courses, build a portfolio, stay curious. Sites like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube can help you adapt for free. Here's the truth. AI won't take everyone's jobs. It'll take the jobs of those who ignore the change. Those who adapt will thrive. AI isn't just changing the future, it's rewriting the present. Jobs are disappearing. Industries are shifting. And most people won't realize it until it's too late. But you? You're already ahead, just by being here. So don't fear the rise of AI. Rise with it. Pick one tool, one course, one skill. Just start today. Found this helpful? Like this video, comment which job you think AI will take next, and subscribe to AI Pulse for daily insights that keep you ahead of the curve.